Really? I see you. I see you. We should have dressed Emma in her little Patriots cheerleader outfit.
That's
Tell me.
Sammy's little short, but
Yeah.
the little cheerleader things are too big for her.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Hi.
Did you get a drink?
Not yet. I was like feeling like I needed a lot more water.
I know. I'm like.
What happened to you? What happened? I know.